Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Android Studio. So in today's tutorial, we are going to see how to use GIF tool inside our Android Studio project. So for that, let's go and create a new project. Okay, I'm choosing this empty activity and I'll name this project as GIF use. Okay, and then just click on finish. Okay, so here our project is ready. There is nothing special, and just it's a main activity and main activity.xml. So for using your GIF, first you have to go and do some dependency injection. So just go and copy this dependency for using your GIF and just simply paste it in here and sync your project. Okay, so it synced successfully. Now we can use GIF image anywhere. So just I'm going to delete it and go here and just type here. Okay, so I have typed GI and you can see here we can use GIF image view, GIF image button and text view, or we can also use GIF text view. Okay, so for this video I'm going to use GIF image view. So I'm clicking on OK. So just give it height and width. I'll take it like match parent, and here also match parent. Now we can put a source inside it. So src. Okay, but right now I don't have any GIF inside my project. So let's go. I think I have a GIF here. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it is a GIF. So just copy it and I'm going to paste it inside my drawable so that I can use it. Okay, and now I'm going to use it. Inside drawable and ABC. So as you can see, here is my GIF, and now hopefully it should work perfectly fine. So let's just go and see here. Center. I'm going to center it vertically and horizontally so that you don't get any error. Okay, now we don't have any error. Let's just run this project. Okay, so here you can see it is our main activity and our project has been installed successfully in this phone. So likewise you can also use this GIF to your splash screen or anywhere as you want. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.